Hey, good climber! Climbing down is more tiring than climbing up for me. Is this normal? Yes, it is very common among beginners. Just imagine when you do a pull-up. The process of lowering yourself down with control is actually more tiring than the process of pulling yourself up. With that being said, you should still down climb all the time to protect your knees, ankles, back, instead of jumping down. Down climbing is also an especially important skill to get yourself out of trouble when you climb outdoors. I will teach you the proper techniques that preserve arm strength to down climb step by step. Let's assume we start at the top of the boulder standing straight. The first step is to identify a decent handhold around the chest level for one of your hands and grab it with your arms stretched out. This can be achieved by shifting your body position. The second step is to let go of the top hold and lower yourself with control by bending your knees and adjusting your body, so your center of mass is right below your hand. If your center of mass is not directly below, you will be wasting unnecessary forearm strength. Don't bend your arms when you lower yourself. Otherwise, you will waste unnecessary upper arm strength. The third step is to lower your feet with control to lower footholds. You can use your vacant hand to push the wall or grab other holds to balance yourself during the process. Make sure you are in control so you won't be holding your whole body weight with one arm at any second. Now your position should become the same as the starting position for the first step. Rinse and repeat. The same principle applies to overhang walls too. Additionally, during the first step, instead of standing straight, very often you can turn your body sideways to where the target hole is to make the second step and third step easier. Here is another example. Lastly, the same principle applies to slabs as well. The main difference is that typically the handholds on the slabs are generally bad. Therefore, when you lower yourself in the second step, you have to be absolutely comfortable to sit on the foothold. While you get down to a lower foothold in the third step, if anything is wrong or uncomfortable, you can go back up easily and think of another way to lower yourself. Another important thing for down climbing is hip flexibility, so make sure to stretch regularly to improve your flexibility. Thanks for watching! Make sure to like and subscribe for more rock climbing tutorials. See you in the next video.